Senate has tasked the newly nominated board members of the South-South Development Commission with the responsibility of tackling the pressing challenges of economic sabotage, environmental degradation, and infrastructure decay in the oil-rich South-South geopolitical zone. The charge was issued on Wednesday during the screening exercise conducted by the Senate Committee on the South-South Development Commission, chaired by Senator Benson Kombowei. The report.
Senator Kombowei urged the nominees to develop and execute strategic projects that directly address the region's long-standing developmental challenges. He emphasized the need for inclusive initiatives tailored to the diverse needs of communities across the South-South.
And the bottom line of it is that the Niger Delta have been crying over the years, as all of you are aware, due to underdevelopment, lack of inclusivity, and what have you. And to this end, the establishment of this commission is in answers to many of our questions, the unanswered questions of underdevelopment.
The nominees screened and confirmed include Chibudom Nwuche as chairman and Usoro Offiong Akpabio as managing director. Senator Asukwo Ekpeyong, chairman of the Senate Committee on Niger Data Affairs and member of the SSDC screening panel, emphasized the importance of teamwork among the nominees. He added that the commission must work in partnership with state governments to tap into the region's vast natural resources, including oil, gas, and solid minerals, to drive economic development.
You have a lot to prove, being a young lady in this country, and we believe, based on your CV and the questions you've answered here, that you are up to the task and the challenge. And I can see the CVs of the gentlemen and lady that have been nominated to serve with you in this board. I ask that you work well with them, you carry them along, and we as a committee look forward to working with you.
In her response, Akpabio pledged the Commission's commitment to balanced regional development and strategic human capital investment. She stressed the need to factor population indices and levels of underdevelopment into project allocation. Highlighting lessons from the COVID-19 pandemic, Akpabio noted the neglect of rural health infrastructure and promised medical outreach initiatives and the rehabilitation of dilapidated facilities.
First of all, the region is blessed with natural resources, which is an enabler for crime. So, holistically, we would do entirety of infrastructure in the 6 states. We would look at militancy control. We would also look at environmental control and community development. So when you're saying environmental control, you're talking about, all pollution control. You're talking about ecology problems. You're talking about illegal mining, that has caused soil degradation.
The Senate is expected to confirm the nominees in the coming days, marking a major step in the operationalization of the SSDC.